Hello, we are at 2245 Larkin Street, apartment 19. This is a top floor studio apartment with hardwood floors throughout. Okay, first when you come in, got a nice big walk-in closet. And we've got a full bath, shower over tub. We just resurfaced the tub, so please excuse the tape there on the faucet. We also resurfaced the sink, so everything looks really nice and new and fresh. Okay, there's a mirrored medicine chest here. Hi, everybody. Okay. And coming into the main room. All right, we got a Murphy bed here. It's a full-size Murphy bed, so for those of you that are not familiar with Murphy beds, it's a bed that folds, a bed frame that folds out of the wall. Okay, and in this case, it's a full size. And you can utilize that or not. The last person that lived here had a queen-size bed, so they opted not to use it. We are looking out of the windows here onto Larkin Street, and this is facing east. Okay, there is the fire escape for the building. Nice big main room though. We also have a radiator here. So this building has a building-wide boiler steam heat system. So the heat is included in the rent. In terms of cable and internet, we are set up here for Comcast. Okay, so you would need to get whatever service package you wanted with Comcast. Okay, coming into the kitchen. We got floor to ceiling original built-in cabinets here. The kitchen has a beige tile floor. We have a gas stove and a fridge. And then here, black granite countertop and some more cabinet space. Nice big windows in this unit. It gets good natural light. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. If you are interested, please plan to attend a virtual open house by Zoom. There's information within the ad on our website. And that way I can show everyone the apartment in more detail, and also the common areas and exterior of the building as well, if you end up coming to a Zoom. All right, 2245 Larkin, apartment 19. Thanks for watching.